I was given this 16 port USB hub to take a look at, and it turned out that this thing was getting hot when I turned it on. So I took that off. We got some chips from AliExpress. Once I cleared that short, I had 4 USB ports that actually worked. The rest of the system was shut down, but that's fine. I just put this on tonight, and guess what? Everything works. Now we just have to figure out how to get this thing back together. What in the hell? Alright, this thing is being tested on my laptop. ASMR. This is nice. Can't help myself. Alright, let's see if this thing works. I'm willing to bet it does. Check this out. Tweedledee. Works there. Works there. Tweedledee. Oh, last port. Get out of there. Tweedledee. "100% working. I am so happy."